What's up guys, and today I'm going to show you how to safely transfer money from Lloyds bank to another bank. Now first thing you should do after opening your application on your phone, now you have to click on this icon right here, pay and transfer on the bottom. Then after that it will show you this page right here. Now you should select the account that you want to send from and choose the someone that you want to pay to. After that, click on this plus sign if you want to add a new one to send him, or you can simply use this search bar if you want to search for someone that you have sent him money before. After that, click on UK account or company. Then here you should enter all the data about the pay and transfer. You should enter the sort code, account number, payee's name, and so on. Then click on continue, and after that it will show this page right here. Now you should enter the amount, and you can click on this calendar icon in order to schedule the payment. Then click on continue, and after that it will show you here the details of the payment. You can edit it if you want, or if it's right you can simply click on confirm. Then they will ask you to enter the password, and by this way you will easily send the money that you want. And that's all for today. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share, and see you in a new video.